Here's where I'm going to start. I'm going to point out several things, and I'm looking at the 1 minute chart. So this is the SPY. Now, this box right here is the first 30-minute range. So the market gapped up today, basically chopped around sideways, and then broke out of that 30-minute range to the downside, okay, in this first example. So here is what happened after that. We formed a low, right? Then we formed a lower low. And if you notice here, in this case, it's almost an equal low on the radiating fire, but look at this divergence into the squeeze. So whenever the market breaks out of this range to the downside, I'm always looking for this pattern. Now, it produced a nice move to the upside. 80 to 90% of the time, this is what's happening. Now, you can get out right there for your profit, depending on what your rules are, or you can stay in the trade. And what happened was it went into a squeeze, then broke down. Most traders would have got out of the trade there if they were not already out. But here's what happened. It suckered people and formed a higher low. So this is the divergence low. It formed a higher low. This could have been a time to add to your position and then get out of everything if it rolled over. This pattern happens all the time. Then it just literally chopped around. Again, this is the 1 minute chart. We're looking at the SPY. I'm going to show you all Tesla also here in a second. So it broke back down. But what am I looking for? I am looking for the divergence into the squeeze. Okay, so it says divergence here, but it's not a divergence. Okay, went up, here it is right here. Boom, boom, equal low, double bottom. Divergence into the squeeze. Rising momentum. So this is the divergence, the sloping ready aim fire. Double bottom, boom, it shot up. That's another powerful move. What I'm seeing is when this pattern happens, you can easily squeeze out 20 to 30% on a call option if you pick the right call option. So then here's what happened. So then it shot up, pulled back. So in this particular case, it pulled back again to a higher low. So you could have taken profits up here, or you could have held through the pullback, because when these divergences happen, 8 times out of 10, it's going to form a higher low. So what you could have done was, again, add here, the break consolidation, went up, take your profits, or pulls back, starts to consolidate into another squeeze, boom. I got in right there because I loved the divergent sloping Ready Aim Fire Pro into the squeeze, breakout, consolidate. This is what my video was about yesterday. It happened again today. Shot up. I did not get out with the pullback because I knew there was a higher probability it was going to form a higher low, right back into a squeeze, boom. I actually got out about right here, okay, about right there. I had to go somewhere. Market was only, had about 7 minutes left. Got out, and I made 73%. 73%. Yesterday I made 72. Let's go look at Tesla. Because Tesla, we're going to kind of talk about the same thing. So let's back it off for a minute, and we're going to look at the day. So let's zoom in. Okay, so the same thing, right? Let me get my little tool. The opening range gapped up, pulled back, consolidated into a squeeze, boom, dropped. What am I looking for? I'm looking for the divergence into the squeeze now that it's coming down to get excited about going back to the upside. This is a lower low, okay? There's a small divergence, but that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for that sloping up, okay? So it went up, boom, fell. Right here, there's a semi-divergence, but it's not a squeeze. Did not take that trade. Okay, again, very disciplined, very focused. So hang on, let me just kind of use mine. So look, let's keep going. Went up all day, went up. I missed it, was not into it. I was waiting for a divergence into the squeeze. And then look at this. finally, it came back down, low. There's that sloping up into the squeeze, but that's what I'm looking for. Entered, went up, you could have exited right there, pull back, higher low, right? That low's higher than the anchor low, and then boom, boom. And in this case, it only landed me 49%, but depending on how much you risk, I mean, it's game over. So what's the moral of this story, guys? And this is the 1 minute chart. What I'm looking for is that opening range. Sometimes it breaks the opening range to the upside and keeps going up all day. Then I look for that first bull flag pullback after that opening range. Or that opening range, it breaks down. Okay? It breaks down. Then I'm looking for that divergence into the squeeze, just like Tesla. Okay? And just like the SPY. That divergence into the squeeze. You can wait till the break, consolidate, get in. Now, sometimes this keeps going up for a while, but then sometimes it rolls over. Can you stomach it? Okay, it came back to a higher low. You could have added to your position or re-entered, and then boom. So if you want to trade with us or learn more about this, I highly encourage you to check out my Options Elite Master Course. And then once you're in the Master Course, you can see the live coaching that I offer, because we look for these setups every day. They happen almost every day. Now, the indicators down here at the bottom. This is the Squeeze Pro. A lot of you know that. Simpler Trading created the Squeeze Pro. I have an affiliate link to this indicator. I'm affiliated with Simpler Trading. So if you go to Simpler Trading, you buy the indicator, you get it, no problem. But if you use my link, you still get the indicator. There's actually a slight discount for using my link, but as a bonus, check the description below, because I have a watch list column, a custom code watch list column that right here that I'm going to give you for free. You use my indicator or you use my link, I hook you up for free with that, but check the description below. As a bonus, I have this Ready and Fire sticker up here. It tells me the momentum on the bigger time frame. It helps me from switching back and forth, and it tracks the momentum, which I use every day. I'm going to give you that sticker for free. So you're going to pay the same amount of money for the indicator, but you're going to get that sticker for free. All right, everybody, until next time, Jeff Moore, author of the book Trading Part-Time, CEO, lead instructor of the Trading Part-Time University, and I'll see you in the next